Good day to all. I'm Vigneswaran, son of Ilang Murugan, matrix number 8305220860870001. To introduce about development of operational research. There are certain systems normally concerning the human behavior is important part to develop the projected systems, but operation research is differing in this respect from systems engineering, which is using a similar approach tends to concentrate on systems to determine human behavior is not important. Operations research was originally concerned with improving the operations of existing systems rather than developing new ones. And the difference has been disappearing as both fields have matured. The subject matter of operations research consists of decisions that control the operations of systems. Extensive use is made of older disciplines such as logic, mathematics, and statistics, as well as more recent scientific developments such as communications theory, decision theory, cybernetics, organization theory, the behavioral science, and general system theory. Furthermore, in military operations, the use of mathematical was approached in dynamic aspects of their operations. In every effort to apply science to management of organized systems, the military understanding was predecessor of operations research. Operational research encompasses a wide range of problem-solving techniques and methods applied in the pursuit of improved decision making and efficiency. It's a discipline that deals with the application of advanced analytical methods to help make better decisions and employing techniques from other mathematical sciences, such as mathematical modeling, statistical analysis, and mathematical optimization. Operations research arrives at optimal or near optimal solutions to complex decision-making problems. The history began as a separate discipline. Back to 1937 in Britain, as a result of initiative of A.P. Rowe, superintendent of the Botsey Research Station, who led British scientists to teach military leaders how to use the mathematically invented gadget, which is newly developed radar, to locate enemy aircraft. By 1939, the Royal Air Force formally commenced efforts to extend the range of radar equipment so as to increase the time between the first warning provided by radar and the attack by enemy aircraft. At first, they analyzed physical equipment and communication networks, but later they examined behavior of the operating personnel and relevant executives. By the end of World War II, there were 26 such groups in the Air Force. In 1943, General George Marshall suggested to all theater commanders that they form teams to study amphibious and ground operations. The early development of industrial operation research was cautious, and some years was industrial groups were quite small. In late 1950s, largely stimulated by development in the United States, the development of industrial operations research in Britain was greatly accelerated. To introduce the General Electric engine service, GE Aviation is an aircraft manufacturing and mass maintenance, repair and overhaul company for flight engines in Malaysia. GE managing is integrated with lean management throughout the floor, and as always improving the development of operational research to find the improvement for daily work in process. The operating systems of GE approach to identify the problems in any part of a system which has some effect on the behavior of the system in process. GE had implemented few types of operational research to smoothen the work process. The first operational research implementation in GE is inventory control system. At the beginning, GE facing a lot of challenges in inventory system. The problem involves determining how much of resources to acquire, either by purchasing and producing. In order to acquire the minimization of sum and the costs that stabilize with the size of inventory. Costs majorly playing a huge role of investment to determine cost of the capital invested in inventory, handling, storage, insurance, taxes, depreciation, deterioration, and obsolescence. Inventories control include data management, office documentation, raw material, components parts, work in process, finished goods, packing and packing materials, and general supplies. The improvement in inventory control system is a good part of inventory management, whereas consists of determining optimal purchase, production lot sizes, and base stock levels that balance of opposing cost influences. GE inventory control is concerned with two methods, action and quantity, such as when to replenish the store and how much. There are two main control systems, the two being system called as min and max system. GE's second implementation of operational research is on computerized operating machines such as coordinate measuring machine CMM and computerized numerical control machine CNC. Computerized machine made a dramatic impact on the management of industrial production system and the fields of operational research and industrial engineering. Computerized machines working on high speed data handling and free monitoring, error controls, independent control, and compact with more sophisticated advanced features. The capabilities of computers allows users and engineers to build larger, more realistic models of organized systems and to get meaningful solutions in while operating. By having a CMM machine, GE work process is improved to advanced, fast, high quality output, and there has been immediate growing in apparatus that can do faster first piece inspection and many times 100% dimensional inspection. The new addition of CNC machine in GE is vertical grinding machine, vertical lathe machine, and laser cutter machine. The computerized machine deliver outstanding performance in overall equipment efficiency without error. Since CNC system is activated, the desired cuts are programmed into the software and detected to corresponding tools and machinery, which carry out the dimensional tasks as specified, much like a robot. The introduction of inventory control and computerized machine as an implementation operational research in GE is more realistic and important improvement in work process. It's engaging the improvement of quality, cost, fast delivery, and safe working environment. As per conclusion, the operational research development is highlighting the organized systems with an objective and quantitative basis for decision. It is normally carried out by teams of scientists and engineers drawn from a variety of disciplines. Thus, operational research is not a science itself, but rather the application of science to the solution of managerial and administrative problems, and it focuses on the performance of organized systems taken as a whole rather than on their parts taken separately. Generally, operation research includes statistical analysis, management science, game theory, optimization theory, artificial intelligence, and network analysis. All of these techniques have the goal of solving complex problems and improving quantitative decisions. Last but not least, the concept of operational research arose during World War II by military planners. After the war, the technique used in the operational research were applied to addressing and solve many problems in medical, business, and government, society, and industrial world. Operational research is improve a technology's growth and betterment life for peoples and their future. Thank you for giving me the wonderful opportunity to present about operational research development.